In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to iterate over rows in a Python data frame. First, make sure your environment is ready. Open your command prompt on Windows or Terminal on macOS or Linux. We'll install the library that powers data frames. Type pip install pandas and press enter. If your system uses pip3, use that instead, or run Python at pip install pandas to target a specific Python. If you work in a virtual environment, activate it before installing so the package lands in the right place. Wait for the installation to complete. You'll know it finished when you see a message that says successfully installed, followed by the package name and version. If you run into permission issues, rerun the command with elevated permissions or inside your virtual environment. Next, verify the install. Start Python by typing Python or Python 3. At the prompt, type import pandas as PD, then print PD all versions sages. Seeing a version number confirms everything is set up. Now let's create a small data frame so we have something to iterate over. In your Python session or script, import pandas as PD, define a simple dictionary like names and scores, and call pd.dataframe on it. You'll get a neat table you can print to confirm the shape and columns. When it comes to looping through rows, choose the method that suits your needs. The faster way is itertuples. It yields each row as a lightweight name tuple, so you can access fields as attributes like row.name or row.score. A typical pattern is for row in df itertuples. Do something with each row. If you don't need the index in the loop, you can pass index false for a small speed win. If you prefer simplicity and readability, use iterrows. It returns the index and a series for each row, like for idx, row in df iterrows etc. This is easy to understand, but it's slower and may upcast data types within the series, so be mindful when performance matters or when strict D types are important. If your goal is to create a new column based on existing row values, use applies instead of a manual loop. For example, you can define a small function and do df new call, df apply your function axis 1. This keeps your code concise and usually runs faster than iterating in pure Python. Finally, always inspect your data frame after the loop to ensure your changes landed as expected. Print the first few rows with df head, check data types with dfd types, or view summary info with df info to confirm everything looks right. That's it. You've learned reliable ways to iterate over data frame rows and when to reach for apply instead of looping.